birds got fruit salad. They're not very happy about fruit salad, but anyway, some of them have a try. I think, oh no, what did you bring to me? Orange, apple. Melon, whatever it is. We don't really like to eat it, but they trying to taste. Have a look. Seagulls. They sit on this gate. On each wood we can see one seagull. Look, you can even count them. Count how many woods do you see on this gate around here, and you can count all the birds. They kind of like have a conference here. No, they're not very happy about fruit salad. They have tried, but as we can see, they not really like it. Oh, we have a fight between 3 swans. They get bored, feel boring here, and sometimes they need to fight, or just, to play, kind of like fight and to play between each other. Otherwise, they're gonna get crazy here, Anyway, talk to you soon. See you soon. See you soon. Okie dokie tokie. Ta-da. Ta-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Then.